6:47 on this Sunday morning, which means it's time for Zooming Around with Zoe. You'll hear May gray and June gloom a lot in the next few weeks. Zoe, why do we get all the fog?
Well, I mean, we deal with it every year. Some know it as a marine layer, like you said, May gray. Others call it Carl the fog. But either way, it helps us make San Francisco the coldest major city during the summertime out of the entire United States. But exactly how and why does it form? Let's zoom on over to the coast. Well, first and foremost, we have to understand exactly how fog forms in the first place. Fog forms when the surface temperature drops down to the dew point. And the dew point, it's a little bit of a tricky thing to actually explain. It's basically just a measure of how much moisture is in the atmosphere. And it's either always lower or the same as the temperature. So very, very simplified example. Say the afternoon high temperature, 63 degrees, the dew point is 50 degrees. As the sun sets, the temperature goes down and the dew point increases. And if the temperature drops all the way down to the dew point, that is when fog will begin to form. So that's exactly how fog and clouds in general form. Temperatures cool down to the dew point and then moisture forms into the clouds. But for California specifically, cold water in the ocean gets upwelled along the west coast. And those westerly winds over the Pacific push that cold air so it clashes with the warm air over the land. And that rapidly cools down the temperatures all the way down to the dew point, which creates fog. And it's not just the upwelling along the west coast that keeps us especially foggy in the summertime. There's also something known as the Pacific high pressure. I'm sure you've heard it before. It develops every summer, and it's a huge factor in our weather. High pressure creates sinking air. So what sinking air does is it traps all of the fog that's trying to rise to the surface. So when those westerly winds come into play, it disperses all of the fog through those valley communities. And that's exactly what happens in the summertime. The thickest fog actually forms when there's the biggest difference between the temperatures in the ocean and land, which is why we deal with the most fog from May through August. You know, when those temperatures on land are 80 degrees versus a 50-degree water temperature. And then it gets a little bit closer in the wintertime, so there's a little bit less fog. So when the fog encounters an obstacle that's taller and bigger than it is, like the mountains that we have in the Bay Area, it finds either a way around it or it pulls up against it and just keeps on getting thicker and thicker in our valley communities. So this is what we see every summer, that thick, that dense fog. But I do have to say, you know, Max, it is not just here in the Bay, and it's not just along the west coast. It is any area that has a cold body of water that the wind moves quickly over it. So have you ever seen maybe a really cold pool or a really cold pond and the wind is going over it quickly and you kind of see like a little bit of mist or fog forming? That is exactly what's happening, but on a much smaller scale.
I love the fact you're able to dive into this and find like easy ways to understand it, because I think this is a question so many people have wondered, and we do take it for granted, actually getting into the why.
Yes, exactly. You see it all the time, but you probably don't actually understand. And there's so many more things that actually go into how the fog forms, how it moves into the bay. But that's the most simplified answer that I think hopefully everybody can kind of comprehend, especially early in the morning.
We'll have to have you do one on advection fog in the near future. Maybe
I
as we
would
get into
love
June.
to.
All right, thank you, Zoe.